Hey guys, Jeff Beal here at the Memorial Athletic Club, and today I'm here to show you where our AED automatic external defibrillators are located and how to use them. So right now, over here behind the front desk, you've got AED number 1. We actually have 3 AEDs on site. And before we go look at the other ones, I want to show you how to use it. It's so simple. And even just a member here, doesn't have to be a team member, but a member of the Memorial Athletic Club can save somebody's life by using an AED. So number 1, you're going to call 911. Number 2, you're going to notify the front desk so they can get you help. Make sure somebody's gotten help to help these guys. Get the AED, take it off the wall, and begin compressions. You're going to do 30 compressions for every 2 breaths. You're going to go through that 5 times. Make sure you do 30 and 2. And then you're going to use the AED as soon as it arrives. And how do you use the AED? You're going to turn it on just by opening. You turn it, open it up, and it's going to start prompting you right away what you're supposed to do. And then you're going to place the pads, just like the pictures, on the upper right chest and the lower left rib cage. The picture is going to show you that right on the actual machine. And then you're going to stand clear. It's going to tell you stand clear about the shock. And then as soon as it delivers the shock, hey, you're going to do another round of CPR for 5 cycles. But hey, let's go find out where number 2 AED is. You ready? Let's go. You gotta go up the stairs. Here we go. There you go. Hey, so here it is. We just installed this one, number 2 AED here in the club. So if you're upstairs, need help somebody, that's where it is. Number 3, we're gonna go back down the stairs into the aquatics area because that's where number 3 is. Let's go. Keep coming this way. Do you know you only got 2 minutes to save somebody's life? Let's go. Out these doors, around the side, into the aquatic center. Here we go. Into the aquatic center back here. Follow me. Here it is, number 3, AED. We got 3 AEDs here at the Memorial Athletic Club. Guys, you can save somebody's life if you're informed and know where things are at. We'll see you next time here at the MAC.